Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Gray. I came here to learn about analog 5-wire resistive touchscreen.
Hello, Greg. Analog 5-wire resistive touch screen is the most advanced, reliable, and fastest touch technology so far. The most vivid feature is 5-wire FPC. It is going to need two layers to achieve the touch function: top sheet ITO film and bottom sheet ITO glass. ITO film that only serves as detective probe is still working even if it has been slightly damaged. Both X and Y electrodes are on the ITO glass, and X positive, X negative, Y positive, and Y negative are located in the four corners. It is supposed that anode end is 5V and cathode end is 0V. When we touch the surface of the screen, the controller can get four values in the four corners. The contacting positions can be calculated since the values in the four corners are noted.
Dr. Pan, since you say analog 5-wire resistive touchscreen is so great, can I say that it's the best touchscreen you have ever seen?
Not really. Every coin has two sides. It can be used in the hostile environment: dust, humidity, greasy dirt, high resolution, and extremely long serving time. It is the best choice for ATM, industrial machine, POS machine, ticket machine, medical equipment, copy machine, etc. Even if the ITO film is slightly damaged, it can still be working. It perfectly solves the short serving time problem of analog 4-wire resistive touch screen. But it isn't doing very well in both user experience and light transmittance. It requires a touch point correction after some time of serving.
Thank you Dr. Pan, now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.